The stylish FS11 dual flash memory camcorder has the best of both worlds, so you're always ready to shoot. Canon's dual flash memory system can record more than 10 hours of standard definition video to 16 GB of internal flash memory. It can also record directly to removable memory cards for easy sharing. The FS11 catches the eye with its modern designer style. And with no moving parts, flash memory is much smaller than other types of recording media. So, the FS11 is genuinely pocket-sized. Canon's advanced zoom combines a genuine Canon video lens with the powerful Digic DV2 image processor to deliver up to 45 times magnification. The FS11 also showcases Canon's advanced movie-making technology, including a megapixel CCD and true-wide high-resolution 16:9 recording. A microphone input delivers superior audio quality by allowing you to connect to an external mic and record the sounds you want far more accurately. And recording to flash memory is incredibly power efficient, letting you shoot for up to 3 hours without recharging. The FS11's intelligent lithium-ion battery indicates the remaining charge down to the minute.